What's up, y'all? Got another tutorial video for today. It's gonna be a short one. This is gonna be how to remove the back seat in the Wrangler 2000. This is the TJ version right here. It's gonna be pretty quick, simple, and easy. First thing you want to do is push this lever right here. Once you push this lever up, it's gonna release it. The whole seat's gonna drop forward. I like to grab me. I like to use these two handles right here. Move it to one side, because we'll have two pins that's holding it in the front. Once you get your level up, you got the seat drop, move it to one side and kind of angle it a little bit. Let it come out. Lift it up, and when you angle it, you'll feel it drop out. All right, we got the seat out now. The only thing you got to remember when you put the seat back in here, and have two of these pins on the bottom here, one on this side, one on the other side of the bottom, and they go into these two brackets here, one here, and one on the other side. The thing you have to do is when putting it back in, you have to angle it in, put one side in first, and then we're gonna put the other side in. All I like to do, I turn the seat forward. I just use these right here as handles, pick them up, put it in there sideways. And what I do is my first one, I angle my first one into my bracket here. I get my first one in there. And then I work the second one in there. All right, I got my first one all the way in. Now I'm gonna go around here. I'm gonna work my second one in. I got these seat covers on mine. Mine's a little bit more harder, but hopefully this will be hard without the seat covers on it. All right, now that I got both of them in and lined up. Usually what you want to do is you want to put your seat belts through. I'm not even using my mine, I'll rust it out. They probably don't even work. Now you gotta do is drop it back down, the shit line back up. Roll it back, it's gonna clip back into place. There you have it. Quick simple video, man. This has been the Wrangler 2000. Removing and installing the back seat. Gotta clean mine off a little bit. Just in case y'all want to do like some trunk work, clean it out real good, put it up in the truck. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all on the next one. Go.